Hi there, guys. It's me, Zambo.
Your boy Crab.
Yeah, friggin' what do we got? iModerz.
We got iModerz
versus Joe J. Yeah.
Joe J here at MISFIRE at Rochester, New York.
Well, technically we're in Spencerport.
Spencerport, New York.
Spencerport, New York. Spencerport High School in the West Cafeteria.
I mean, like, it's...
Why does this hall have 2 cafeterias?
I don't know. That's actually impressive. That like the school is so big that it needs 2. Or the cafeteria is so small that they just made 2.
I feel like it's both. I feel like the school is mighty thick.
It is. But we'll see. I was going to say something. We're just going to leave it. So let's go to game 1.
Yeah, we're going to go to game 1.
Smashville.
Joe J versus iModerz. This is entirely doable for Joe J.
Yeah. I mean,
he sort of has to know
the iModerz way. Which,
yeah. He has to avoid falling into the traps and the pressure, right?
Yeah.
Because he's gonna play very defensive, and then once he gets a hold of you, he's gonna tear you apart.
Absolutely.
So he's got to stay calm. He's got to stay focused, and he's got to look for his openings. But don't force an opening.
No, not at all. You don't want to do that because then he'll find his way and he will destroy you.
Yeah, don't force it because that's how you end up. That's how you end up in trouble.
Yes. That's how you end up with tears and things. So
see, you went. I was gonna say that's how you end up pooping yourself.
Okay, yeah, I was saying you work out too much, you tear something.
Huh?
I meant. You know what I'm saying?
No, I haven't listened.
Okay, fair enough. So it's pretty close here in percent. I mean, Joe J's playing it well, doing what he needs to do. Doesn't get anything with that banana right there though. So spamming out these back airs, looking for him to kind of just fall into one there. He doesn't get a falling there. Speaking of falling, up until it doesn't connect, but he does get those jabs. Nice tech. Right. Oh, the F smash trades. That was kind of dumb. So, picks up the banana. Kind of dash attacks to pick it right back up, throws it right behind him. Gets the dare
up smash.
Dare up smash, my friend.
You got to tech that, man.
Absolutely.
He was late, too. He was late coming in for that up smash. He didn't tech. He had tons of time to punish that.
Yeah. So, that's rather unfortunate. And Joe J now down a stock, and iModerz doing what iModerz does, just kind of chopping him up just a little bit. Yeah,
chopping him up, just like the mighty redwood being felled by the lumberjack who shouldn't be in the redwood forest.
Exactly. Yeah, because I believe those trees are endangered.
Are they?
I don't know.
Yo, they too big to be endangered. Real talk. That's a lot of trees. Bro, nah. Cause check this out, right?
Yeah.
If they were just like a bunch of smaller trees, they'd probably be fine. But they got to be special and be like a million feet tall.
Yeah, like 100 billion feet tall. Speaking of 100 billion feet tall, that's how Joe J's feeling after he hits that F smash.
Yeah, he's feeling big F smash.
And let's see what he can do here. He's at 81% now. And iModerz looking to play, iModerz's game.
What even is iModerz's game sometimes?
I'm gonna saying a lot of pressure when he needs it, and
a lot of safe pressure.
A lot of safe pressure, exactly. That's
the big thing because
he doesn't.
It takes a special mind. At least in this community, to beat iModerz. There we go.
Forward smash. iModerz takes game 1.
So best of 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Joe J puts up a nice fight for that first game. Let's see if we can try to, expand on the knowledge that he's gained here. As we go into game 2.
Dude, that RIT Smash Club logo, when the screen goes black, it looks like a sticker on the monitor.
It does. It looks really cool. I like that. I like that a lot.
It looks like I thought somebody put an actual sticker on the monitor.
You're like, why?
I don't know, dude.
So here we are, game 2, back on Smashville. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, gets the banana, gets him off stage still. Falling there, gets the back airs out. Okay, maybe he might be able to down tilt that.
Maybe. Perhaps.
I don't know. I guess I'm not the Diddy player, so we'll let him do what he wants to do.
We'll let him do what he wants.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay,
no, that air dodge.
Yeah, a little.
And it's so rough being above Fox.
It really is. He just has so much ways to pressure you.
Well, yeah, in most fighting games, you don't want to be above your opponent, but
it's tough. So iModerz now with banana, throws it down, scoops it right back up with an air. Ooh, gonna get monkey flipped though. So he's probably gonna throw that banana away pretty soon, yeah. And looking for those double jabs right there. Look at the tipper paws, as they call them. And couldn't get it. Right on shield. Banana's back out. Joe J's hands. Throws it up on the platform. Picked up by iModerz. iModerz looking for it. Nice shield. Would have been trouble if you got hit by that. Down air. Ooh, down
wow,
smash.
waits
Reads
for the
it.
down smash. Beautiful.
Super smart. Gets the down smash off the tech. And
See, he missed the tech last time, so we're like, oh, you got to tech that. And he's like, all right, I'm going to tech that. And MISFIRE is like, yeah, I bet you are going to freaking tech that.
Exactly. You go ahead and tech
I bet. You go ahead and tech that. Let's see what happens
when you tech that. So,
was that perfect pivot down smash?
yeah. No, I don't think it was. But that was a perfect pivot. At least it was a pivot forward tilt? Question mark?
Pivot forward tilts look so cool because he slides.
Yeah. He
Up
looks
smash
really
not
cool
going to
dude,
take it yet.
Even though Fox is not a cool dude.
No, Fox is not cool at all. Now Falco, that's a cool cat right there.
Yeah, real cool bird. So, he's gonna have to grip back the ledge. I thought he was gonna go with the
Back air, yeah, I don't.
Okay, so Joe J really needs to take the stock, like real soon.
things are looking mighty rough for Joe J.
Yeah, and he's looking for the up tilt. Down tilt.
Just nothing off of that. I don't think he definitely didn't want that dash attack. That's a misinput.
Yeah, I think the unfortunate thing is I think he could have just F smashed.
Think so?
Yeah. I mean, if he was in range down tilt and he's on ledge like that. But nevertheless, he still needs to take it. But that F smash will take it for iModerz. He takes a 2-0 over Joe J.
Sure is 2-0. And that happens, man.
Yeah, it's a tough thing to swallow sometimes, but iModerz plays well.
You know what else is tough to swallow? Eating a bunch of saltines at once.
It is. Isn't that a challenge?
Yeah.
All right.